Today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry margarita loaded tea. So I got a little water in the bottom of my cup. I'm adding 2 scoops of lemon Niteworks. In another cup, I've got some more water, and I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of raspberry tea and a teaspoon of strawberry stevia. This is going to be my topper. I'm adding some ice, a lime Liftoff, and then a teaspoon of margarita stevia. Then I'm adding some cranberry aloe, loading the cup with ice, and then I'm going to pour my topper of strawberry and tea on top of it. That's how you make a strawberry margarita. Thanks for watching.